Hey theme lovers, welcome back to another exciting theme episode of Mobile Funda, where today's theme is especially for HyperOS 2 users who eagerly want to customize their phone to HyperOS 3. So if you are one of those users, then this video is definitely for you. Make sure to watch this video till the end. And if you like this customized theme, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting themes in the future. Friends, let's start by talking about this customized theme, beginning with the lock screen. Here we get to see the lock screen in this layout. And to customize this lock screen, go to your lock screen, then tap on Customize Lock Screen. Now scroll to People Layout and select this layout. Next, tap on the Customize icon and first select the wallpaper that you have downloaded from our Telegram channel. Now it's time to customize the clock color. Tap on it and select white for the primary option, and for the secondary option, select this color. Then apply. And your lock screen customization is done. Now let's move to the home screen. Here we get to see the home screen in this layout, where a big dynamic clock widget appears at the top, showing many helpful details that we use regularly. By the way, this clock widget can also be customized. For example, if we tap on the bottom part, we get a total of 6 clock options to choose from as per your choice. In addition, we can change the transparency to transparent, also switch between light and dark themes. The most attractive feature of this clock widget is that you can change the clock style just by shaking the phone. That means you don't need to go into the widget section and the theme store every time. Just shake your device and the clock style changes automatically. Now let's talk about the icons of this theme. This icon look identical to HyperOS 3, especially the system apps, as you can see on the screen. So if you are looking for HyperOS 3 icons for your HyperOS 2 device, then this pack will definitely give you relief. However, the only downside is that we don't get any animation in them. Coming to the control center, here we will see it in iOS 26 style, where the toggles appear with a liquid glass design, while the toggle icons appear in a blue-yellow color combination with stock animation. In addition, the notification panel also features a liquid glass design, while the volume control layout appears in a blue-yellow color tones with smooth stock animation. Last but not least, let's talk about the settings menu. Here we get to see a very interesting layout. First, you will notice a tricolor bar on the right side of search menu, which looks amazing. Plus, all these settings are neatly arranged in categorized with attractive icons. Moreover, there is a dot pattern on the right side of each settings, which really enhances the look of overall settings menu. The swipe back gesture remains same, just like the stock theme. So these were the features of this theme. Now the funda is, which themes are these and how can you apply them? First, go to the pinned comment and download the backup file. Then install it through the backup and restore method. After that, go to your theme store and you will see two new themes. First, apply the theme called Dog Fruit. This will apply your icons and status bar. Next, for the home screen widget, go to the Customize theme, then Favorite Tray, and apply the theme called Customise. Now your customized theme is completely applied. You will get the wallpapers from the Telegram channel. Simply download and apply it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked today's theme. If yes, then like this video and subscribe to Mobile Funda for more exciting HyperOS theme. See you in the next video with another interesting theme. Till then, keep customizing. Jai Hind.